Okay, let's try this. Continue on success. So we know that ADCS doesn't work. We have access to SMoon. We have access to Apache. T-Bomb. I guess we need to add right here to see if he can do anything. Add to on. He also can't really do anything when it comes to outbound object control. So Bloodhound hasn't been that useful. Let's see what he's a member of. Web devs. Okay. Web devs. Doesn't seem like he can do much though. So this shouldn't work with the WinRM, but doesn't hurt to do it. So yeah, none of them can really do anything. And again, this is completely useless. We don't have access to this, right? So, to just find anything. Yeah. It did not, but that's expected because he's not part of the group. Windows Remote Management. So we can still see we can see if anything has accessed or changed when it comes to the access to share. He was part of a interesting group, the web dev. So it's possible he has some write permissions. At least that's what I'm thinking. Whoops. So we need to SMP as well. But let's see. I feel like some fucking prophet. But yeah, that was correct. Awesome. So, from what I remember from earlier, we have access to both of these. So we can probably just put a web shell there or something. So yeah, let us do that. So let's see. We need a PHP web shell. We can use something simple like this. Then we can grab this. So CMD, that should be fine. And and then web, and the user is T-Bomb. Like so. Let's see. We can then go to fly, attack the box. Like so. And then let's put test PHP, and then let's see if we can actually access it. So fly it, hack the box, like so, and then test PHP. Okay, awesome. So now we actually have code execution. Now, if you enjoy how I teach and you enjoy this video and you want to take the OSCP, then what are you doing not being in this course? It's over 15 hours long and it covers everything that you need. If you're only watching the videos on YouTube, you're missing out a lot because it's over 15 hours of content. You will get access to the VIP section on Discord where you can ask me any questions and you can study alongside all the other students in our course. Right now, you will also get access to this checklist right here, which will cover at least 95% plus of all the attacks and all the techniques that you need to know for every single section. Not only initial access, but AD, pivoting, Linux, and Windows privilege escalation. And the goal for you is to reach proficient or at least basic competence on all of them. That's one of the things. We also have this entire roadmap right here, where there's a bunch of action steps and a bunch of cheat sheets inside all of these hyperlinks that I can't show you in this video. But once you have completed all of them, you know for a fact that you will be ready to get into the OSCP exams and absolutely crush it. If that sounds interesting to you, to get all of this in 15 hour plus of video footage of someone who has OSCP, who explains different attacks and techniques and methodologies, it's going to be invaluable to you. Now, some people are confused with the offer. If you're interested in the notes, these are the notes that you will constantly see me use in the videos, right? They're pretty much recommended to go hand in hand with the course, and I use them constantly in the course itself, right? So I think you'll find it extremely useful. That's also why we have the third offer, which is the bundle, where you can buy both of these together for a discount. I hope that clarifies things. Best of luck on your OSCP journey. I really hope this will be massively useful to you. I'll see you in the next video.